Welcome back YouTube, you have Ahmed again from In-Depth Tech Reviews and another video about the Pixel 4. Every day I check the articles online, I find more and more leaks, and the last one is pretty interesting. Some Vietnamese YouTubers managed to get their hands on the Pixel 4 XL and they created reviews for the device, same what happened before with the Pixel 3 XL if you remember. So I'm not sure if these kind of videos are created on purpose with the help of Google, or Google is just really bad in keeping secrets. But away from this, let's check what we've got here. But before getting started, let's make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video. So let's jump in. So I will start by showing you high quality images showing the Pixel 4 XL from all sides. These images are from a website called zheng.vn. It's exactly the same design leaked in the previous videos and images, but now you can see it in high quality. And the link is in the description if you want to check them yourself. Also note that after translating one of the videos, the reviewer mentioned that the device is a prototype unit and the back is made from plastic instead of glass. But he also mentioned that this could be the case because it's a prototype unit, so we'll wait and see. Other images from the settings page of the Pixel 4 XL confirms the presence of a smooth display that you can turn on or off. Face unlock is also confirmed under settings with a nice little animation showing you how to enroll your face, but as per the reviewers, the face unlock doesn't work on their units. Also in these review videos, there is nothing mentioned under settings about the motion sense feature, but still there are some images showing how to use motion sense under settings published by Brandon from This Is Tech Today. It shows here the ability to skip songs by waving left and right, silence notifications, reach to check phone by moving your hand closer to the phone, and show display when nearby. Another feature showed under settings that we didn't know about before called Ambient EQ that adjusts the display colors and the brightness based on the lights around you, which is pretty much the same as the True Tone feature of the iPhone. There are also images showing the presence of active edge with the same limited options, flip camera, tap to check, and flip to shhh. If you are a Pixel user, you should be familiar with them. Now let's talk about the camera, and what's new here is the app interface. It looks a bit different. The quick toggles are now under the shutter key and there is no longer quick settings at the top. However, they are now hidden and you can reach them using this small arrow that gives you an overlay menu on top of the viewfinder. Also, there is a new option under the camera settings that allows you to save images with the same orientation seen in the viewfinder, which will save you from rotating your images in post. Finally, there are some camera samples from the Pixel 4 XL compared to the Pixel 3 XL. Let's start with the night side comparison. The Pixel 4 XL images are brighter, showing more details in dark with a slightly different white balance, but unfortunately there are no samples for the astrophotography, which is a key feature in the Pixel 4 that I'm personally excited about. Next, the portraits. The quality of the images is not good enough to judge, but the first thing I noticed, the 4 XL images have a cooler white balance. Also in this image, the 4 XL looks more accurate as the 3 XL blurred part of the object in focus while the 4 XL didn't. Finally, the selfies. They have a cooler tone as well, but another noticeable difference is the mirror effect seems to be removed, so now your selfies won't be flipped, which I appreciate. That's pretty much it for today, but if you want to know everything about the Pixel 4, you can also check my previous video by clicking the card showing now on the screen or click the link in the description. So if you like my video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.